Hello everyone, welcome to part 41 of Laravel 11 series in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So once again, we will continue working on the products module, and in this video we are going to work on the edit product functionality in which we are going to edit the product details, and also we will work on the add delete product video as well. Okay, and also we are going to calculate the product final price after deducting the product discount or maybe the category discount. Okay, so let's work on these things in this video. In the last video we have seen that we able to add the product from here. Okay, we able to build this add product form, and we able to add the product with all details, and also we able to add the product in some particular category. Okay, we can either add in some parent category or we can add under subcategory. So it is best if you can add under subcategory. Okay, it is recommended to add products under the subcategory like t-shirts. Okay, t-shirt is coming under men, and then men is coming under clothing, and we have also added some products under t-shirts category. You can see blue t-shirt as well as the red casual t-shirt. Okay, so now we are going to work on its edit feature, and once we are going to click any of the link, edit link, and here you can see the details are not coming here because we have not updated the function, we have not updated the code, right? Okay, so that we are going to do right now. Okay, so first thing is we will follow the instructions. You can follow under the video description, I have explained each and everything, but for getting the source code you can always join as a channel member. Okay, you can simply open the channel youtube.com/stack developers, and you can join the channel with some basic price, and you can just get the membership and can get the source code. Okay, it depends upon the membership you buy. According to that you will get the source code. Okay, so let's start working on this one. First thing is we are going to update the add edit product function. So I'm going to open the product controller in which we have already having the add edit product function. We have the common function for adding and editing the product, and here you can see the add product is already done, like id, if id equal to empty, then we are going to do these things. But edit product, we only have the title here, but other things are not here. We need to define this one as well, and also we are going to modify one thing. We just required one variable $product. We are not required two variable. $product data is not required, just one is required. So we are going to modify this one. Okay, and just the thing that we require, if the id is empty, it means, sorry, if the id is empty, then it means the that we are working on the add product. Then the title will be add product and the product new product, so that we can add the new product, and the message will be product added successfully. And if there is the id, it means that we are going to edit the product. So with that id we are going to fetch the product details of that id. Okay, and we will send the message product updated successfully when the admin updates the product. Okay, so other than this we also required to update return. So here I'm going to modify the return as well, in which we are going to send the product array as well. Okay, so we are going to modify the form now. Okay, this complete form we are going to modify to show the data. Once we update the data, we are going to show that data in the product form. Okay, so right now you can see the here nothing is coming, but after updating this code we will get the product data here. Okay, once we will click on edit product, so this complete form we are going to modify here. Okay, and the thing is that we are just simply getting the data. You can check in every field, we are just checking that the data is coming or not, and if the data is coming, then we are just selecting that. Okay, like we are selecting here, like in the wash care as well. If the wash care is coming, then we are going to show that wash care. Otherwise we will check that if there is any old value of wash care, then we are going to show that. Okay, so like this we are going to modify each and every field. Okay, so after this modification I'm going to just refresh, and you can see the data now. Okay, complete data. See, t-shirts is selected, and here you can see the product name, product code, product price, product discount. The complete details is coming here. Whatever you filled earlier, it is also coming here. Okay, so after this step we are going to modify add edit product function once again, so that we can we can get the final price as well. We can able to fetch the final price, and I am going to open the MongoDB as well. Okay, so that the MongoDB compass, so that we can check the information after audit. We can check there as well that if it is working fine. We are going to connect, and after connecting we are going to open the project 11 database. Okay, so here we will open the products collection, and here you can see two of the products that we have added so far. Okay, so here once again I will open the add edit product function, and here I am going to add the validations are already added. Okay, and after adding the validation I'm going to add the product video as well. Okay, you can see that in add edit product we have already added its field product video, but we have not added its code yet. Okay, so here you can see that we have added that product video. Okay, so the person can add the product video. So far, see, later on we will also add the product images, but right now we have added the product video because product video is the single upload, but product images we can add as many number of images. So that's why we will do after completing this portion. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the code for adding the product. Okay, so it is already mentioned here. Okay, and I'm going to add this one, upload products video, and that I'm going to add after this validation. I'm going to add this one here. Okay, of upload product here, and you can see a video. For video we are going to add the field in our folder zap public, inside public, here we are going to add under front. Then I'm going to add new folder here, videos, and under videos that we are going to upload the videos for the products. Then we are going to add here products field. Okay, so here also we can see the same thing, path is correct, and after that we are also going to add this one product discount and these two conditions also. So if product discount is empty, then we are going to assign 0 value to it. Same thing we are going to do with the product weight as well. And after that, see, we are going to work on this product discount. Okay, so this code we are going to modify this code. Here you can see, though I'm going to modify this complete code and will explain you. So I'm going to here simply modify it up till save. Okay, so this complete, I'm going to modify it up till save like this. Okay, so here the main thing that we have done, we are going to check that if there is the product discount, if the product discount is greater than 0, then see at that time we are going to show the discount type as product, and we are going to calculate the final price, and the final price will come when we will subtract the discount percentage. Okay, when we will, like, the product discount is 10%, then we will first calculate that 10% of the product price, and we will reduce that. See, that price will come as a discount, and that discount we are going to reduce from the MRP, that is the main price of the product, to find the final price. Okay, so the final price will come. Let's suppose the product price is 1000. Okay, so 1000 into 10% of like 1000 into 10 divided by 100, it will come as 100. Then we will do 1000 minus 100, that will be 900. So final price will be 900. So this kind of calculation we need to do only when the product discount is greater than 0. And if the product discount is 0, then we will go in the else condition. Then we will also check the category discount. If there is the category discount, then we are going to calculate the category discount as well. Okay, and we'll reduce then that from the product price to get the final price, the same thing. And the discount type at that time will be category. And if there is no category discount, like the category discount is 0, then discount type is empty, and final price will be the product price only. Okay, then the product price as well as the final price will be same. Okay, I hope that it's clear to you. So after that, we are required to add the route for deleting the product. Okay, so I'm going to open there the web.php file, and here I'm going to add the route for deleting the product. And no, not like this. We are required to update the syntax. This is the old syntax of declaring the routes. Okay, so here just the difference is that we are going to do it like this. Okay, So this is the correct thing, and this one same I'm going to copy and will replace here. Sometime it happens. Okay, so after this we are going to add the delete product video as well, and this one I'm going to add it in product controller, and here I'm going to add. Okay, so that we can able to delete the product video not only from path. Okay, we will also delete from the MongoDB as well. Means at both places, both from the folder as well as the our database. Okay, so that's done, and now we are going to test once, and I'm going to edit the product. Okay, like I am going to make it red t-shirt only, and here I'm going to make it 2. Here I'm going to increase the price with 1500, and also I'm going to add the dummy video. Okay, dummy 1 MB video. I'm going to download some dummy video so that I can check with that. Okay, I'm going to download. I have downloaded one dummy video. Okay, so now see discount. I'm going to make it 20% red. Okay, so I'm going to add the weight as well, 100 gram, and product video. I'm going to add the product video now, and that the video that we have downloaded. This video I'm going to add description. I'm going to just add the test in washtare also test, and fabric I will add some fabric here. Select something in all the fields so that we can check the its values as well. Okay, search keywords, anything you can add here. Okay, so featured item also I'm going to click on submit, and let's see we able to update or not. And I think we have updated that red t-shirt. So earlier it was red casual t-shirt, now it is red t-shirt. Earlier it was RCT001, now it is RCT002. Earlier the price was 1200, now the price is 1500. Earlier the discount is 10%, and now it is 20%. So we have also got the 100 group code and 100 product weight as well, and also we able to upload the video as well. And here the you can see the view video as well as the delete video links are now enabled. We can click on view video. Yes, the video we can able to play this video. Okay, so it's fine. We can able to see the video is coming here, and also we can delete the video here as well. Okay, like this is the common function of deleting the video. If I will click on yes delete it, then okay, so delete product video link is not there. So that link we are going to put that one as well, so that we can able to delete that video. Okay, so for that I'm going to check delete hyphen product hyphen video, and this delete product video, and id this one I'm going to check why it is not working. So I'm going to check what happened. Here is the route it seems to be fine. Okay, so actually the file is not saved, and you can see now I have saved the file. Now I'm going to do command shift R in Mac and control shift R in Windows, and now it is seemed that product video has been deleted successfully. Now I'm going to do that once again. I'm going to add the product video once again. Let's try, so that we will come to know that it's also working fine. I can see, yes, I can see the video is coming fine. Okay, so the video is coming fine. So now I'm going to click on delete video once again. Yes, delete it, and this time the message is correct and the video has been deleted. There is no 404 page this time. Product video has been deleted successfully. So we can able to update the complete product details, and also we can able to add delete the video as well. Okay, and also we able to fetch the final price. For the final price, like the 20% of 1500, what is the 20% of 1500? Okay, we are going to see what is the final price then. 20% of 1500 into 20%, and that will be 300. So final price must be 1500 minus 300, that is 1200. So final price must be 1200. We are going to check here in our MongoDB. So I'm going to refresh it, and we'll see that final price of see this one, this is not the product, this one is the product. 1500 is the product price, and product discount is 20%, and the final price we are going to see where is the final price. Here we can check final price is 1200, and that is fine. Okay, so we can see that we able to update the final price like this. after adding the discount, product discount or category discount. Okay, so I hope that you can able to do this one at your end as well. In the next video, we will continue one more time. We are going to do the products. We are going to work on these products, and at that time we are going to do manage family colors dynamically. Okay, so that we can manage these family colors dynamically, because we are going to show these family colors in filter. So that's why we are going to modify it dynamically. We will show in drop down. So please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.